ready to unlock every touchdown, every game, every Sunday. Let's cut through the confusion and clarify exactly what you need to watch NFL Sunday Ticket this season. The big question: do you need YouTube TV to get an NFL Sunday Ticket? The short answer is not necessarily. YouTube TV was the only way to get Sunday Ticket, but now Google offers a standalone NFL Sunday Ticket package, meaning you can buy it without a YouTube TV subscription. To purchase the standalone version, just head to the YouTube main page or YouTube TV if you have it. You'll usually find Sunday Ticket prominently advertised. Look for a dedicated NFL Sunday Ticket section or promotional banner. Now, let's talk price. The standalone package will usually be more expensive than if you bundle it with YouTube TV, so if you're already considering YouTube TV for other channels, bundling might be the more cost-effective option. During the sign-up process, pay close attention to the choices. Make sure you select the NFL Sunday Ticket option and not the one that includes YouTube TV if that's your preference. With the standalone package, you can watch Sunday Ticket games through the regular YouTube app on your smart TV, phone, tablet, or computer. You won't need the YouTube TV interface at all. So, there you have it. You can enjoy every out-of-market NFL game without a YouTube TV subscription thanks to the standalone NFL Sunday Ticket option. Now get ready for some football.